This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by art.monroe. Located within the beautiful River Pointe community, this former Wimbledon Chase model condo is move-in ready. New heating and air conditioning installed in September 2022. Neighborhood pool and clubhouse for enjoying all the extra leisure time you will have in this exterior no-maintenance condo. And a convenient location to the Western Freeway 164, Coast Guard Base, Old Town Portsmouth, and Midtown Tunnel. All of this for an affordable price. Don't miss this one. Hurry! For more information, review the details below.